Hi, and welcome into another video on this channel. So today we will hop into AWS Console and see one of the new AWS offerings, which is a feature called Console to Code. So let's hop into that and see how it can help us. Alright, so I'm already logged into AWS Console, and to use this particular feature, it is available right now for EC2, VPC, or RDS. So let's hop into the EC2, and here on the right, we will see a new icon. Let's click on that and Console to Code. Console to Code generates code for console actions, records your actions, and suggests optimal code in CLI and CDK. So this is something more or less as, let's say, infrastructure as a code or automation scripts. So we will try to use it and record our action while we are creating an EC2 instance, and let's see what we will get out of it. So we will navigate to EC2 instances, and I will click Start Recording. Recording in progress, and now we will try to launch a new EC2 instance. Let's call it maybe Test EC2. We will take Amazon Linux, we will take T2 Micro, we will proceed without the key pair, and maybe we will leave it in a default subnet, auto-assign public IP, and have a security group for, let's say, SSH, and maybe also HTTP. Here, maybe let's change that. We will see how it works. We will change that to 20 gigs, and the rest I will leave as is. So we will launch it. And now let's navigate to this bar and see how it looks. So let's stop it. And let's see. So we have a run instance command. We have authorize security group command and create security group. So let's maybe take all of that and let's generate something. So one thing is that we have a copy to CLI. Let's launch Cloud Shell and see how this command looks. So let's paste it here, and we can see what will be pasted. So pasted will be AWS EC2 create security group, and here we have the security group launch wizard 5 already exists for this VPC, and here this operation is already exists, another thing, and here we have AWS EC2 run instance. So actually this last command will try to create a new EC2 instance for us. So let's navigate to the bottom, let's quit that, and let's see where we are. So this copy CLI command, let me paste it one more time here and make it a little bigger. We can see that it consists of three commands. So one is creating security group. Yeah, we were trying in the template to create a security group called Launch Wizard 5. Another thing was that the security group was created for port 22 and for port 80. Yeah, this is something that we also wanted to do. And the third thing was to run the instance itself. So this is the CLI. And let's see here, if we will navigate to the EC2 and to the instances, let's see what we have here. So actually, we have two of them. So one was launched manually, and the second one, this one which is initializing, was run through the CLI from those recorded things. And we also had an option, okay, let's click that, and also we had an option to generate a CloudFormation YAML. So there are, right now, this is the only possibilities to create this as a code, not as a CLI command. So we can generate a Java CDK, we can generate Python one, we can generate TypeScript one, and we can generate JSON or YAML CloudFormation template. Yeah, so generally that's a basic idea behind the new AWS offering, and this is for sure something for someone who doesn't have yet in-depth knowledge about the CLI or a CloudFormation or a CDK or any other infrastructure as a code offerings, but would like to automate some of the actions. So possibly in the future, the list of the supported services will grow bigger, but for now, as I mentioned, RDS, EC2, and VPC. So that will be all for today, and see ya in another video.